Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yesterday, I have here the Saturday newspaper. Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Friday, May the 12th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, and the letter Sudoku I've just solved. So two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 1 star, and the Sudoku with 0 stars. All right. And this one will be number 6435. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 0 stars, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. So, for an easy one or with no stars, need to be faster than 15 minutes or 40 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. Four missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 marks. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then let me see. Same situation in this column. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. Alright. Then we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. One, need a 1 here. 1, right. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. One of the missing number in this column is also the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. So what number is this box in this column? The number is the 1, the 2, the 3. is missing. Alright. The 3. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Do we have a 7 in the middle column? No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in the third row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. Alright, then 5, 3, 7, okay, alright, and now 3, 3, need a 2 here, need a 2, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair again. The 5 and the 6 in the first row. The 5 and the 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those again here. Also 2 and a 9. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1. Okay, need a 1 here. Need a 9. No, we have a 9 here. Okay, come on. This is taking too long. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 1, and 7. 3, 1, and 7. Need to wait. 3, 1, and 7, 7. Need a 7 here. This should be the 3 here. We need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this second column. That means we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there then. And we 3 and a 1 in the last row. 3 and a 1 in that row. So the row between. The only two places left with 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. All two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2. No. How about the 5? No. How about these two missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and a 1. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. How about 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Well, now, well, 9, okay. How about the 5 here? We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle, second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column, the numbers 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers, 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in the additional of the Friday edition. And then in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.